Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying equipment and environment. Inspect the boom pole, microphone, XLR cable, and any batteries or phantom power. Once done, power test the mic to confirm signal. Mount the mic on the shock mount, orienting the capsule toward the subject and leaving about 1 to 2 feet of clearance for natural sound. Make sure to loosely extend and lock the bottom section first, so balance is predictable. Finally, route and secure the cable with Velcro strips to minimize handling noise as you lift. You now focus on reach and stable positioning while recording. Plant your feet shoulder-width apart and use a two-handed grip, top hand near the end for fine control, bottom hand as the fulcrum, so the pole behaves predictably. Extend only the sections required to reach the subject. Once extended, tweak section length to balance weight and reduce fatigue. Move in short, smooth arcs instead of jerking motions. When stationary, lower the pole slightly so the mic stays below the talent's chin to avoid plosives and capture natural dial. You finish by validating signal and preparing for unexpected issues. Double-check XLR connectors and gain levels on your recorder, and always monitor with headphones to catch problems early. Once done, perform a quick walkthrough. Listen for bumps, wind, and handling noise. If you hear handling noise, reroute and snug the cable, adjust the shock mount, or add foam to mounts. If low-frequency rumble remains, tighten section locks, add a small windscreen, or try reversing mic polarity as a last resort to isolate the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.